Ripple, XRP, price could be headed for a 20% slump, despite the recent collaboration with Amazon. The XRP outlook remains unchanged, with its market value suggesting an imminent decline, as will be explored in this video. I will be going through some preferred trade options, including the latest XRP20. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates from the world of cryptocurrencies in general. Stay until the end of the video where we will give you a preferred cryptocurrency trading option. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we extend a special welcome to you. We invite you to hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Now, let's dive in. Amazon has a partnership with Ripple, the organization that created the XRP cryptocurrency. Through this partnership, XRP will be integrated into Amazon's payment system, enabling users to conduct transactions using cryptocurrencies. As a major retailer like Amazon adopts a cryptocurrency for its payment infrastructure, this partnership is crucial. It might persuade other retailers to take into account comparable integrations, promoting a wider adoption of cryptocurrencies. This partnership positions it in the e-commerce market and validates its technology for Ripple. The immediate impact on XRP's value was unexpected, even though the long-term effect is uncertain. This is as a result of the ongoing legal pressure Ripple is under from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of the United States. The US SEC announced last week that it would be appealing a recent court decision involving Ripple Labs. This affected its oversight of the cryptocurrency market. The SEC wants to appeal Judge Annalisa Torres' judgment from July 13 to the Federal Appeals Court. The decision declared that the public exchange sales of XRP tokens by Ripple complied with federal securities laws. The SEC's appeal highlights the wider ramifications of upholding securities laws and seeks to address significant discrepancies in legal interpretation. The SEC's ongoing efforts to assert its regulatory authority over cryptocurrencies are reflected in this action. However, the market's reaction to this SEC action has not been positive. Gary Gensler has come under fire for what critics believe to be his inability to handle the Ripple situation after losing. Politicians are starting to disagree with Gensler's choice to appeal the court's decision that favored Ripple. Since the court determined that XRP is not a security when sold to retail investors, a month has passed. XRP is still under selling pressure, though. This is true despite positive developments like the integration with Amazon and the growing use of the XRP ledger by various nations for central bank digital currency, CBDC, projects. The market holds Gensler and the SEC responsible for slowing XRP's bullish momentum. The daily price chart for XRP USD shows signs that the bearish trend may continue. The cryptocurrency has been trading in a constrained range for the past 3 to 4 days, generating doji candlestick patterns. The current trend might be maintained by this recurring pattern, possibly leading to a drop of about 20% toward the $0.49776 level. On the downside, $0.58482 serves as the first support level. If this level is breached and then closes below it, the price could go below the $0.50000 mark. On the other hand, the initial obstacle on the upswing is $0.666662. The bearish trajectory can be changed with a breakout above this level and a successful closing. This could push the price in the direction of the next resistance level, which is $0.73675. The technical indications currently support the idea that the bearish trend will continue. The Ichimoku cloud, which denotes bearish momentum, is hovering over the price move. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, histograms also continue to be in the negative. This shows the current selling pressure. The relative strength index, RSI, which is below the midline and trending downward, is also declining. This emphasizes how likely it is for prices to continue falling. Now to some preferred trade option. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings in the crypto space. While the XRP outlook is pessimistic, another coin, WSM, offers a perfect trading environment. A growing meme coin of 2023, Wall Street memes, $WSM, comes from the famed Wall Street Bets community. With its cutting-edge humor and alluring branding, $WSM creates a lot of excitement in the crypto community. WSM is in its 29th stage at $0.0334 and has raised $23,779,945 during the pre-sale. Within 5 days, the cost will increase to $0.0337. Notably, The $WSM Designers Wall Street Bulls NFT collection was a huge commercial success. In just 32 minutes, they made an incredible $2.5 million. This victory has given them more motivation to work on the $WSM project. The pre-sales funding was increased by an important $850,000 contribution. A $50,000 airdrop of $WSM tokens is being held, and participants can win $10,000 worth of tokens. The 111-day airdrop comprises a number of steps, including using social media, getting involved in the community, and buying tokens. Wall Street Memes coin launch is scheduled for a short while following the pre-sale. Marketing, community benefits, and liquidity on centralized and decentralized exchanges, CEX and DEX, are allotted resources in tokenomics. 3 stages are identified in a well-organized roadmap for the development of Wall Street Meme. Building a secure smart contract, forming business alliances, and encouraging community engagement are the main goals of the foundation, launch, and community empowerment phases. These result in a $1 billion market valuation and listings on prestigious markets. The vibrant community that has gathered more than 1 million users within Wall Street Memes is what gives the site its incredible momentum. The importance of $WSM in the crypto space is boosted by this community's impressive social media impressions and backing from key crypto influencers. Well, that's not all. The XRP20 coin has seen a significant increase in staking activity, with 22.7% of its pre-sale allocated supply being staked so far. The project is nearing sell-out after raising $2.74 million, with only $949,000. The XRP20 pre-sale will finish early this week at the current rate as the stake-to-earn coin closes in on its target of $3,680,000. Staking began early this week, resulting in 9,194,611,672 XRP20 being staked so far. 40% of the 100 billion total supply of XRP20 tokens is being offered to the public in the pre-sale, with 22.7% of which has been staked. To get started with staking, token holders need to go to the staking dashboard section of the website. The project's smart contract has been audited by 0xGuard, and no issues were found, except a minor one related to gas fees that in no way affected the contract's function. The pre-sale is 75% complete, with only $949,000 to raise until the coin sells out. As the finish line comes into view, there is no time to lose before the $3,680,000 goal is hit. Staking appears to have gone live on Sunday before a formal announcement was made, so it is imperative to keep an eye on the website and follow the project on X, formerly Twitter, and join its Telegram channel. Complementing the staking passive income offering is a burn mechanism that sees 0.1% of every transaction burned. In total, 10% of the total token supply will be burned, providing the tokenomics of XRP20 with price-supportive deflationary economics. Over time, burning 10% of the total token supply will make the XRP20 scarcer and more valuable. XRP20's on-chain staking is not part of the Ripple family of products. There has been increased hype concerning XRP due to the recent ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres that the XRP token was not a security when sold to retail investors. However, the gains made since that ruling have retraced following the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) appeal of the judge's decision. XRP20 is in an excellent position to repeat the early success of XRP for early investors because it is being sold at a price 30x less than XRP's all-time low. Leading crypto sites continue to provide favorable coverage for the coin and push back against FUD merchants. So, is XRP20 the next big thing? Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Write us anything down here. We are very eager to read you. Always remember that you are an important part of our community. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content and don't forget to follow us on our new Instagram account at FactMakeMoney. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community. Thanks for watching.